In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking for Shopify quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify merchant or just starting out, understanding conversion tracking is crucial for optimizing your ad campaigns and maximizing return on investment. Let's dive in. First, make sure you're signed into your Google Ads account. Once you are on the dashboard, head over to the Overview section. This area provides a broad view of your account's performance, but for now, we'll focus on setting up conversion tracking. Next, look for the Goals section. Clicking here will take us one step closer to our target, tracking those valuable customer conversions. Now navigate to Conversions. Conversions are hyperlinks between Google Ads activity and real-world customer actions, and tracking them is key to knowing what's working in your campaigns. Once you're in the Conversion section, click on Summary. Here you'll find all your existing conversions at a glance. But if you're setting this up for the first time, the next step will be crucial. You'll want to click on Create Conversion Action. This is where the magic happens. Google Ads lets you define what constitutes a conversion for you. You might be gearing your campaigns towards a product sale, a sign up, or any other customer action valuable to your business. Now you'll be given a variety of options to choose from. Google Ads offers flexibility in tracking different types of conversions. For demonstrating purposes today, let's focus on calls from ads. This option is ideal if you're running ads that leverage call extensions or are designed as call-only ads. Following this, you'll have additional options to consider, such as calls from ads using call extensions or call-only ads, calls to a phone number on your website, and even clicks on your number on your mobile website. Each of these decisions tells Google how to track these customer actions, so choose the one that aligns best with your business goals. After selecting the appropriate option, simply click Continue. At this stage, you'll need to name your conversion. Choosing a descriptive name here can help you easily identify this specific action later as you gather data and tweak your campaigns. Your next choice is between using the same value for each conversion or selectively assigning values. This flexibility allows you to customize what each conversion means monetarily to your business. Finally, click Create and Continue. By doing this, you've successfully set up conversion tracking, allowing Google Ads to log and report back on your selected conversion actions. Tracking conversions properly enables you to understand which campaigns are generating the most value, letting you make informed decisions on future marketing strategies. And there you have it. You've set up Google Ads conversion tracking for Shopify, a vital step in ensuring your advertising efforts are both strategic and successful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more insights on optimizing your digital marketing efforts.